Assalamu alaikum. This is freelancer Rakib. In this video, I want to show you how to use a free software to take a screenshot from your PC or from your laptop or from your whatever you are using. For doing this, viewers, if you follow on my video description, you will see this link. So if you click on this link, you will come to this page. So after coming this, you have to click on, you are seeing on the right side, download for Windows, download for Mac. So if you are using Windows or if you are using laptop or PC, you can click on here, download for Windows. Just click on here. Once you click here, it will redirect to your uh, PC download folder so that you can keep it here. So just I'm keeping here, maybe I'm just keeping here. Setup light should exist. This is under a new volume app. So just save it. So once you click on save it, it will be installing on your PC easily. So it will take few seconds. I think it's almost done. Here, this is very easy screenshot software. It is totally free. So if you click here, you will go to show in folder. So once you go to show in folder, you just click on write and run as administrator. Click here. Only two steps. You just leave or you can use English. Let me see it is Bangla or not. You can use I'm using English. Then okay. Then you have to accept. I accept agreement. Comes here. You can read if you want. Then next, and it will be installed on your PC within few seconds. So viewers, the lights fail to restore or hoti. Okay, thank you. The let's start using Lightshot right now. So if you okay, just I'm clicking this. Just we can click on finish. So viewers, after installing, you will see this software should install here. You are seeing this is Lightshot. So this is my software. So if I want to take any screenshot, just click on keyboard part PRT part SC parts. Click here. You're seeing if you click here, you'll take screenshot. This is from like this. Just you come here. If you here is Lightshot. If you click here, you can easily see how to take a screenshot. So like suppose I would like to take this screenshot like this, and maybe I want to mark this area and I want to keep a text here, right? Please subscribe freelancer Rakib. So I just keep it text here, so it will, and maybe you can put like this whatever you want to show the buyer or someone. If you want to make this arrow, you can also keep this like this. Maybe and if you click here, this is pen. You can write like this whatever you want. And if you see here is save, and this button is copy. If you copy it, just click on copy. And if you come to Facebook or somewhere, maybe let's go to Facebook, you can easily send it without saving on your desktop. Like I would like to send someone this a picture. Maybe I'm sending him. So you just come here and you just come here and click right, and you can use paste. So once you keep paste, it will go to your uh, and enter. If you click on enter, it will go to your sender. It will go to your receiver actually. So you don't need to suppose I'm taking another screenshot. If I come here, I can take the screenshot whatever I want to mark. This is learn freelancing Rakib. This is my group. Okay, so you can easily keep it like this. So here, thank you very much.